Jardinero.
Okay, so in my picture below is a representation of rocks becoming soil. Now, minerals are naturally occurring inorganic substance with more or less definite chemical composition and specific physical properties. We have two groups of minerals. The first one is the primary minerals, or the minerals that are persistent to weathering. And then the second one is the secondary minerals. As mentioned a while back, primary minerals are those minerals that are persistent to weathering. And we have important primary minerals and their contribution to soil properties. So primary minerals are the chief source of sand and silt fractions of our soil. And because they are persistent to weathering, they are used by engineers, by builders in constructing infrastructures. They are more stable than the secondary minerals. The example of primary minerals are quartz. Those are sandy soils. We have orthoclase feldspar, and they add potassium to soils and clay formation. And we have plagioclase feldspar, which contributes calcium and sodium in our soil. We also have muscovite, which can be source of potassium, and biotite that can contribute potassium, iron, and magnesium in our soils. We also have hornblende and the corresponding nutrient contribution in our soil. Augites, they provide calcium, aluminum, iron, magnesium, iron in our soil. And we have apatite, which can contribute potassium in our soil. The second group of minerals is the secondary minerals, and they are the chief constituent of our clays in the soil. We have example of silicates like montmorillonite, kaolinite, illite, and tourmaline. This will be further discussed in the chemical characteristics of our soil. And then the other group belonging to secondary minerals is the non-silicates, like oxides, to include hematite, gypsite, jutite, and limonite. Carbonates are also non-silicates, like calcites, dolomites, and they basically contribute to the clay fractions in our soil. Not only being a part of the clay content of our soil, but they release nutrient elements like calcium, magnesium, sulfur, phosphorus, chlorine, and iron. And Philippine soils derive mainly from calcite, are alimojan, and logo. How can we differentiate further the primary minerals from that of secondary minerals? A picture of sand to represent primary minerals appears on my slide. And then a picture of soil represents the secondary minerals. That's the end of weathering. And if you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to subscribe. See you on my next video.
Jardinero.